Hi, this is me, Shubhayan Chakravarti. With me is Debashish Sen, and we are not right outside the Melbourne cricket ground, but in the background you can see the holy grail of the cricket world. Debashish,
And isn't it a pleasant sight, Subhayan, with the Yarra River presenting a backdrop to the MCG, and it's Christmas time. We could see the city of Melbourne literally decked up because we are just a few days away from the Boxing Day Test and all set for the big match.
absolutely, and the Indian team reached Melbourne yesterday. There was a bit of controversy around Virat Kohli's arrival and him having a word with the Channel 7 reporters present there at the airport because they were spotted filming his family, which Virat obviously did not want. But the big news that is coming from the Australian camp is about two changes for Melbourne and the final match of the Test series in Sydney. The two changes, Josh Hazelwood and Nathan McSweeney are out, and they have been replaced by Jai Richardson and Sam Constance in the squad. Devashish, your thoughts on
Yeah,
the
obviously
changes?
there were high expectations on Sam Constance being getting a nod, and that is what has happened. Finally, with the two last matches in the series, and obviously Nathan McSweeney hasn't looked to take it against likes of Jasprit Bumrah, and so I think it's a very good call on the part of the Australian selectors, and Scott Bailey did mention as well that they are looking for a refreshing change, and obviously in Sam Constance they can find a attacking opener who can take the attack to the Indian opening bowlers, especially the likes of Jasprit Bumrah, because both Nathan McSweeney and Usman Khawaja hasn't sort of get going against Bumrah and and the other Indian pacers. Shubhayan.
Absolutely, and as Devashish mentioned, George Bailey did mention that they want a different sort of option to support Usman Khawaja and Marnus Labuschagne, both of whom have struggled for big runs in this series so far. Yes, Marnus did score a half century in Adelaide, but so far it has been a very mediocre series for all of the top orders of the Australian team. Yes, Steve Smith got a century, Usman Khawaja got a bit of runs, but it is not clicking altogether for the Australian batting unit. And Harbhajan Singh in our interview did mention that it is one of the most vulnerable Australian batting units, which Bumrah, Siraj, Akashdeep now, Harshit Rana should exploit further. And it would be interesting whether they get in a Sean Abbott or a Jai Richardson into the playing 11 in place of Josh Hazelwood. Of course, there is Scott Boland as well. The MCG, the stadium which you are seeing right now, it is his home ground, so Scott Boland would be a pretty handful bowler to have in his home conditions. So let's see what aspires in the coming days. But yes, the Ref Sports team has reached Melbourne and will continue to give you all the coverage related to the Boxing Day Test. What is Boxing Day Test? We'll try to explain to those who still don't know what is the why it is called the Boxing Day Test, and a lot of coverage is coming on. The Boryada and the other members of the team Ref Sports will be arriving in the next couple of days, and it will be a grand coverage to give you all. But right now, the news from Melbourne is that Australia have made two changes. They will train tomorrow along with the Indian team, so we will bring you all the updates from tomorrow onwards. But for now, this is me, Shubhayan Chakravarti, with Devashish Sen, and we'll leave you with some visuals of the beautiful Flinders Street.
Yeah, obviously the Flinders Street, the Federation Square, and actually
The Yarra River.
The Yarra River. I mean, and as I said at the start of this broadcast, is the city is all decked up, and it's
Right.
Christmas time. We are expecting a full house. The tickets are already sold
Yes.
out for the first day of the Boxing Day Test match, and it will be an electrifying atmosphere come the Boxing Day Test.
So yeah, this is it from us for now. But do keep liking our comments, subscribing to our channel for all the content related to the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Thank you for watching.